Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush, and this is the Love Boat Bath Bomb. And how adorable is this? There's a bunch of little red hearts embedded at the bottom that I will show you in a moment. I kind of accidentally put the boat in at an angle, so it was a sinking love boat, but it was very, very cute bath bomb. You can see a lot of the little red hearts coming away. And I've seen other companies use those. I'm not quite sure what they're made of exactly, but they do disintegrate once you rub your fingers together. So it's nothing that's going to be left in your tub after a bath. And I'm trying, they're kind of hard to pick up, but I'll show you a little better view of them. But they're super cute and safe for your bathtub. So this bath bomb is from their 2021 Valentine's Day collection. It's 5.2 ounces and it costs $7.25. And not only the design of it, but the smell of it, it's probably my first or second favorite Valentine's Day bath bomb. I really like this one a lot, and I like the Love Locket a lot as well. And of course, as always, I think everything from Lush smells good. I don't think I've ever smelled anything from Lush that I didn't like. And with that being said, this one was a really nice smell. It's described as a sweet, tangy sherbet scent. And they do have fragrance notes listed of lemon and oranges. And yeah, it did have like a sweet, citrusy smell. And I absolutely loved it. And it's mainly pastel blue and pink, which also reminds me of cotton candy. And when those colors mix together, it does leave a light purple color in the water. So pretty cool bath bomb all around. And it lasted a pretty long time in the tub as well. I checked on it a couple times to see how much was left, and it still held its shape. It still looked like a boat, just smaller. So that is what I have for you today. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel. I do have many more demos from Lush coming up from their Valentine's Day collection. And if you like seeing videos with bath bombs with stuff hidden inside, I have more of those coming up too. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.